Hello and welcome back to Here We Tow. Something a little bit different this week. Have you ever had this fall out when you take your tow ball off your hitch when you arrive on site? Well, it's happened to someone we know, so today we're going to have a look at how to replace this, what you need and what you need to do, and see exactly what happens after this.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Just quickly what you'll need: nice ground sheet to keep yourself off the rubble, tool drivers, pair of pliers and a bit of patience. So there you go, that's all you need to be able to do this quick and simple little job. And obviously what I've failed to mention is you'll also need the new part, which is a friction line in front and back. This is for the Alko 3004 chassis. Comes with complete instructions in the packet. So there's two sides to these instructions, and this is to help you fit both the front and the back part. We obviously didn't need the back part because it was only the front that was broken, so I'm just showing you these so you've got an idea of exactly what we needed to do. And here exactly is the problem. It snapped off at the front, as you can see here, leaving that screw in. So what I've done here is I'm showing you just the part that's actually fallen out. This is the bit that was actually on the tow ball, and you can see here clearly it's sheared off at the top, and that's the screw part that's left into the hitch. So as part of the instructions, this part, the outer sheath, needs to come off first. For that you'll need the T30 driver for that to go in, for the head to be slipped off. So what the instructions say here is the front part is quite rubberized, and all you need to do is just roll it down from the top. As you get a bit further down, you just need to make sure these lugs come off the casting at the front, so it'll just pop off in your hand. So what we found we had to do now was unscrew the part that was broken inside. As you can see here, it's just spinning around. So what we needed to do was isolate that by using a pair of pliers just to grip the inside, so that then, as you can see, we can neatly unscrew it from the outside and keep the broken part inside. Alright, got it. Right. And here's the broken part of the lining. So this was the final bit that we needed to get out before we could fit the new part. And this is how it should look once you've removed all the offending parts. What we found is if you lift the stabiliser arms, it gives you a little bit more movement to be able to play. And then all we're going to do here is just offer the new piece up just to make sure that it fits and it's the correct piece. So here you can now see the new part has been fitted. What we've had to do is this part, which is your top side indicator, is spring loaded. You can actually take the pressure off with your thumb, pressing that back up. That then allows you to fit this part where the screw is, and then you've got this flush and outside, as you can see here, through the middle of the hole. What I've done here, I've just frozen the video. If you were changing the back friction plate as well, you would, before putting in the front one, use this hole to access the T30 Torx bit to be able to unscrew the back part to get that off as well. So I just thought I'd add that in. You can see this is now fitted correctly All we need to do now, place the screw back in and tighten it back up. So as you can see there now, once you've got it so it's just nice and tight, because it's self-tapped into the plastic of the new friction lining front, that is now held in place. And the back of the pad is nicely seated where it should be. That's job done. All we need to do now is fit it all back together. So simply to put this back on, as you can see here, the lugs on the side, they go round this part and then simply goes back up and over onto the top. So then what you can do for peace of mind is you can fit whatever security device or dummy ball you've got, and as you can see there, it's still engaging to show the green, to show that the tow ball is in place afterwards. Just a little check that you can do either that, or you can simply press the button underneath. It is quite a powerful spring that will push up. That will also show you that your checking device is still working and in order. So there you go. So that's a quick and easy how-to guide as how you can change your friction line in front and back if you have the problem as we found. So hopefully that will give you the confidence to have a look at it and do it yourself. If not, you've seen on the video how to fix it. These parts are available at most caravan accessory shops. Give them a ring first, make sure that they've got them in stock. The part number's on that screenshot right at the start of the screen, so you can always give them a ring, maybe even carry one as a spare. It's up to you, but hope that helps you, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.